is the one we've all been waiting for, although we'll have to wait that little bit longer because it's been raining overnight, the covers are on, the ground staff are hard at work trying to remove all of that surface water. Confirmation that we will have no play until lunch. But the good news is that we have a reserve day if we're not able to make up play over the course of the next 5 days or so. There's the super stopper and plenty of water that they're trying to get rid of at the moment. Some spectators have filtered in. Expected 4,000 on each day of this test.